Hey guys, welcome back to Tips and Tricks with Vinegar-Based Productions. Today, I'm going to be talking about COVID-19 and how it's affected video production. Let's be honest, COVID-19 has impacted video production just as much as any other business. It's really hard to conduct a shoot when you're adhering to social distancing behaviors. But I have a few suggestions that will help us get through these tough times. By now, everyone's familiar with Zoom. It's a great video teleconferencing app that can be used on your phone, iPad, laptop, desktop, but you can also record, and it's a great way to gather content from around the world. You can record a meeting, an interview, and use this later to provide great content for your clients. Now, a few tips if you are recording on Zoom. You can go into the settings and make sure you're recording at the highest quality possible, which is HD. And you also want to make sure that your subject is prepared in a way that gives them the best look on camera. And I'm talking about camera framing. You want to make sure that they're centered because they're most of the time addressing a person. You also want to make sure the lighting is good. Make sure they don't have a window behind them or a bright light behind them. You want all the light to kind of come from the front of them and make sure that they're evenly lit. Also, audio. Make sure you're in a quiet room while you're recording your audio, and if you have a microphone, a separate microphone is going to have a much better sound quality than just your laptop or your desktop. Also, another thing to think about when people are on camera is their wardrobe. You want to make sure you look your best when you're on camera and you know you're being recorded. Try to stay away from blacks or whites. Those are heavily contrasted colors. So pastels work well, and mostly solid colors as well. Now, other options besides Zoom, in a time like this, cell phone video quality is perfectly acceptable. Most everybody's cell phone records HD footage and has decent audio. So I recommend telling your clients to just record themselves using a tripod or lay the camera down on a desk, and you can just give your interview straight into the camera. Then take your phone and go around and get some footage that supports what you're talking about. This is very similar to an interview style, and then going out and getting B-roll or footage to support what that interview says. A lot of our clients are in the healthcare space, so we have physicians giving us interviews into their camera or their phone, and then they take that phone and they go out on the floor and get footage of what's happening in their ER department or other areas in the hospital to kind of really round out the story, and we turn that into some great content. Finally, a little tip I like to do during a downtime like this is go through our equipment. I tighten every screw, I clean every lens, I dust everything, make sure everything is in tip-top shape for the next time you go out and have a production. Well guys, I hope you're staying safe out there. Be strong, and together we'll get through this. And know you can produce some great video during these times. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell so you'll get notified the next time we release a video with some great content from Vinegar-Based Productions.